Hi, Wally Brown here with GAF. Today I'm going to go over a short video how to install the fluted corner. This is made out of unsupported material. It's not going to take as much heat versus regular membrane. So I'm probably going to be down to around 3 to 4, 5 tops to weld this. Turn my gun on, let it heat up a little bit. Here's the areas we typically find all our voids or the angle changes. It would be here, here, and over here on this outside corner. And we're also going to have some T-joints right here we want to make sure that we pay special attention to. So I kind of want to get it centered. I don't want it too much this side, this way or the other way where I got to overstretch one side. Once I get it where I want it, I'm just going to give it a little tack so it doesn't move on me. I like to do this vertical first. Now I like to lay a little heat on the outside of this. It'll help it stretch it because I got to try and stretch this around the corner. Stick my gun back in there, make sure I get nice and tight. Do the same thing to the other side. Okay, the hard part's done. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to finish these ears off right here. All right, now it's just a matter of doing this flat. Now here's where you want to kind of take your time. You kind of want to bring the whole thing down at once. Again, we're going to pay special attention to these T-joint areas. Okay, that is our finished fluted corner.